Hello all, welcome back to my videos. In today's video, I'll be working with EBS. I'll be doing some basic tasks like create a volume, create a snapshot of the volume, remove the snapshot, and remove the volume using boto3. So to do that, the first thing what I will do is that I will import the boto3 module to my Python. So I will use import boto3. Then I will create a resource called as client for my EC2 service. So client equals boto3 dot client, then EC2. Okay. Now to create a volume, I will call a method called as create volume. So it will be client dot create underscore volume. So and what I will do is that inside this there are few parameters that I need to mention. The first parameter that I have to mention is availability zone. So I will be creating my volume under the availability zone US dash east dash 1A. Then what I will do is I will mention the size. I want to create a volume of 1 GB. Then I will mention the volume type that I want to use. So that will be standard. So you can utilize other volume types like IO1, IO2, right? So over here you can have other volume types like IO1, IO2, GP2, SC1, ST3. So you have to mention it under the volume types. Then what I will do is that I will create a tag specifications. Means I want to give a name to my volume. So I will copy this from the documentation page and I will paste it on my script. Right. So that's a tag specification. Okay. So over here, the resource type that I want to. Oops, so the resource type that I want to use is volume, and I want to give it a tag that is name. Okay. And the value is test script volume, right? So this should help me create the volume. Okay, before that, before running this script, what I will do is let me check over here. So right now I don't have any volumes created under US East 1. So let me run the script and let's see what the output says. I hope all the syntaxes are correct. Let's verify that. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, let me run that. Okay, it failed with error. Okay, so US EST. Okay, so it should be EST typo error. Okay, let me run that again. Okay, now it finished with an result code of 0. And let's see if my volume is created over here. Okay, you see over here the volume has been created. So the name that I gave was test script volume, and this is the volume ID, and this is a 1 GB standard volume that I have created. So the next thing what I'm going to do is that I will create a snapshot of this particular volume. So to do that, what I will do is I will again call a method called as create underscore snapshot. Okay, and then I have to give volume ID equals. So let me copy paste the volume ID that I took from that I copied back over here. So volume ID, this is my volume ID. Then again, I will give a tag specification to it. So let me copy it from here and just put it over here, right? So that now my resource type will be snapshot, and this will be test script volume snapshot. So I believe I have not done any typo errors, right? So now let me comment all this out over here so that I don't create again. Okay, now let me run it and see what happens. Okay, so this also completed successfully. So let me go over here and see the snapshot. Yeah. So this is the snapshot that I created over here. This one, test volume snapshot, test script volume snapshot. So you can see that the snapshot has been created. Now I want to delete this snapshot. So what I'm going to do is that I will copy the snapshot ID, and then what I can use is the method called as client dot delete underscore snapshot and then I can just mention the snapshot ID equals, and then paste the snapshot ID over here, and that should do it. Let me run that. Yeah, so now my snapshots will be gone. So earlier I had this snapshot test script volume snapshot ID snapshot. Once I refresh the screen, I can see the snapshot has been deleted. Now I want to delete this particular volume over here. So what I will do is that I will take this volume ID over here and use the method called as client dot delete underscore volume. Sorry, it will be volume, and then it will be volume ID equals. Just put me the volume name over there. Comment this one out, and this should now basically delete the volume that I have created over here. So this volume should get deleted. Let me run it, and it says successfully done. Okay, let me go back over here and see. Let me refresh the screen. Yep. So you see over here, the snapshots that we created using the script has been deleted. So this is the way that we can create volumes and create snapshots and delete snapshots as well as delete volumes using boto3. In my next video, we will see how to attach volumes to a particular EC2 instance, how to copy snapshots. So till then, take care and have a great day. Bye bye.